Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make other participants in your Zoom meeting the host of your meeting. So there's only one participant in this Zoom meeting and it's me, but you are going to just select participants here, and on the right side you're going to select the three dots, and there should be like a setting that says make that person like a host or something, and you're just going to select that, and they're going to then be the host of the meeting. So for instance, someone's doing a presentation and you want to give the host to them, you can absolutely do that. And that is how you can transfer your host to another participant on Zoom. On Zoom, sorry. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!